It'll definitely be here. And it'll happen slowly as the technology advances and as it gets better over time. As I mentioned in the last video, that if AI has a switch where it goes from being like these pieced together pieces of AI to like an actual sentient being where it can like actually like almost have like emotion and have the ability to learn anything and everything and learn the same way a human can learn, if a switch happens like that, then it will become very, very disruptive, very immediate, and especially with the humanoid robots. Because like right now, I'll tell you what humanoid robots are going to look like. They're going to have some, they're going to be clunky. They're not going to move around very smoothly. You can see this with all these different demonstrations of, you know, the different robots like Optimus from Tesla, but also outside of them just being like mechanically clunky, they're also not going to be as intelligent as they're made out to be, right? Whenever, you know, you see this robot that's picking color and it learned how to pick it itself and the human just taught it how to do it, I mean, that's a programmer. That's what a programmer does. Whenever we're teaching a robot, we're teaching that robot what to do by just moving it to a place, teaching it here, teaching it there. That gap will have to be bridged. So there's two different gaps there, where one is like the intelligence of the robot and it actually have an AI that can teach itself, versus having a humanoid robot that still needs a lot of teaching. So honestly, one thing that I anticipate that we'll be deploying humanoid robots at some point, right? Tesla, or before their system and before their AI is ready, they're going to need companies like us to actually program the humanoid robots, or at least do some interfacing meaning, how does the robot know when a machine is done? You know, I don't think it's going to have that intelligence for some period of time. I don't think it's going to be reliable enough. You know, I think the robot will get confused and like try to walk off somewhere else if we let it be too free at first.